Hi there, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Love. Journey with us into the world of grand estates, historic manors, and elegant country retreats as we uncover the charm and sophistication that define English country house exteriors. From the stately facades of Georgian manors to the romantic allure of Tudor homes. This video is dedicated to showcasing the architectural splendor and rich heritage of these iconic residences. But before we get into it, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more lovely home ideas. An English country house is a large, often historic, residence situated in the countryside of England. These houses are typically associated with the upper class and aristocracy and have been the epitome of rural elegance and grandeur for centuries. Characterized by their grand architectural styles, expansive grounds, and a blend of formal and informal gardens, English country houses often serve as both a private residence and a symbol of heritage. English country houses have long been symbols of wealth, power, and tradition. They are frequently featured in literature, film, and television, embodying the idyllic and often romanticized vision of the English countryside. These homes are typically large, with numerous rooms, high ceilings, and imposing entranceways. The interiors often feature grand staircases, large fireplaces, and ornate plasterwork. English country houses come in various architectural styles, including Tudor, Georgian, Victorian, and Elizabethan, often with elements like stone or brick facades, large sash windows, and intricate detailing. Many English country houses have a rich history, often dating back several centuries. They have been passed down through generations and may have historical or architectural significance, often being listed buildings with protections against alterations. English country houses are often surrounded by extensive gardens and parklands designed to complement the house's architecture. These landscapes may include formal gardens, topiaries, lakes, wooded areas, and sometimes even deer parks. The design of these gardens often reflects the style of the house, with influences from famous landscape architects like Capability Brown. Today, many English country houses are open to the public, serving as museums or event venues, while others remain private residences. They continue to captivate people worldwide with their beauty, history, and cultural significance. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We hope you found inspiration, ideas, and practical tips to transform your space into something truly special. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, thank you for watching.